Hi, I'm Evaldo Albuquerque, and today I want to talk to you about Spain. As you know, there is a risk that Spain may need a bailout, and this risk has created some demand for safe haven currencies such as the dollar and the Japanese yen. So we all need to monitor what's going on in Spain. Personally, I like to do that by looking at the Spanish stock and bond markets. So today I want to show you two charts. The first one is the MSCI Spain, which is an index that tracks the Spanish stock market. Notice that the Spanish stock market is in a major downtrend, which reflects the weak economic situation in the country. When we had this breakout to the downside earlier this year, it indicated that things were getting worse in Spain, and that created a lot of demand for safe haven currencies. But now notice that we're having a short-term rally in the Spanish market, and so I'm just watching to see if the Spanish index will be able to break above this downtrend line. If that happens, this will increase the chance that we'll have a more significant rally in the Spanish market, and that will indicate that things are getting better in Spain. So we may see less demand for safe haven currencies such as the dollar and the Japanese yen. The second chart that I want to show you today is the chart of the 10-year yield on Spanish bonds. So this is basically the borrowing cost for the Spanish government. If the yields are rising, it indicates a higher risk that Spain will default. That's increasing borrowing costs for the government. So notice that this yield has been in an uptrend, reflecting the increasing risk of default. But in the last few days, the yield has been declining. So I'm also watching this uptrend line to see if the yields will be able to break below the downtrend level, that uptrend level. So if it breaks below that trend line, it'll indicate that things are getting better in Spain. So you should be able to buy risky assets such as commodity currencies, and because if things are getting better in Spain, we'll see less demand for safe haven currencies such as the dollar and the Japanese yen. So you can actually short those currencies in the short term to profit from this improvement in Spain. So these are two charts that we all should watch, because if things are getting better in Spain, we should be able to profit in the forex market simply by shorting the US dollar and the Japanese yen. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.